Firemaster Show Design is a software developed by the company NG in collaboration with Parente Fireworks Group. This new software, interfacing with our firing system, Firemaster Plus, enables a graphic rendering and the full management of music fireworks displays. It is provided with an intuitive interface, which provides the extension of the working section on multiple monitors, enabling the pyro-designer to carry out a complete pyro-musical show in just a few steps, thanks to the numerous available extensions such as the multi-area, the choreography's wizard, and many others. Working into a new project, you can enter various information. Besides the usual fields identifying the fireworks, you immediately have the chance to identify the show venue by means of the geolocalization function, show map, as well as define the shooting area and carry out a cost evaluation. The cost evaluation is useful in order to foresee all expenses and submit a correct and detailed quotation to the customer. Moreover, as you will see later on, the cost estimate allows to keep under control the cost of the pyros to be used and to be informed when the final amount exceeds the set amount. When designing a very complex show including a great number of firing points, you can subdivide the show into a number of areas, map form, and identify them by name. Each area may have its own features, and this will be very helpful during the project design. As already mentioned, each area may cover different firing points, area form, each of them with specific characteristic identifiable by a specific color for a better visualization within the drawing area. You can, for instance, identify by a certain color all pyro effect firing points and by a different color the shell's firing points. While designing a fireworks, desired areas or firing points can be displayed, providing the user with an easier and quicker view. As first step, it is advisable to upload the music. Audio acceptable formats are WAV or MP3. In case of a WAV file, the system will also upload, if available, the cue markers previously uploaded, either from the same software or from another audio editor. Markers are then uploaded within the show and numbered accordingly. Each marker identifies the starting, opening of the first effect in a firing line. The beep signal to be sent to the Firemaster unit is calculated taking into account the relevant pre-fire times. The software is fully integrated with the system audio and allows you to select the various available audio sources. Should it be necessary, it's also possible to introduce a silent space within the soundtrack, so that you do not need to use external programs to carry out such operation. From the fireworks list, you can select and move the widgets into the track of the firing point you want to use. The fireworks list provides a manual filtering or a series of filters through the code line. The list of available items is obtained from a normal external Excel sheet, so there's no need to connect it to other databases or other complex data structures. An integration through API to possible complex data filling system is however foreseen. Every single firework of the list is characterized by various data. Fireworks of the same type are identified by the same color, which is useful to instantly detect them within design areas. Colors are customizable in the setup area, configuration area. Every single firework uploaded in the show is customizable. You can handle it as a single shot or turn it into a sequence by changing the number of shots. You can define the delay between each single shot, the kind of delay sequential or pyro delay. You can set the angle range. In this case, the system automatically allocates the sequence shots to cover the desired area in a reasonable way. It is however possible to set up and modify the angles manually. You may decide from the very beginning on which firing equipment a single shot or the sequence has to be placed. The system shows automatically the available supports for the kind of fireworks and for that caliber. There is a Rex and Mortars editor in the configuration, which you can use to build various objects and select which kinds and calibers of fireworks can be supported. In order to speed up the show design, a specific function was introduced enabling the quick creation of choreographies. Let's assume that you want to launch the same sequence of fireworks from multiple firing points within a specific time frame. The manual division and the calculation to the hundredth of a second will be stressful, especially in case of numerous firing places. The software, on the other hand, embeds a series of choreography in order to help and make it easier for the user to design the show. The system is easy to use and fast. It will save you a lot of time. While designing the show, every single shot is recorded in the execution details. It is a grid containing the overall data of each single shot. These are then automatically processed to be interfaced with the Firemaster Plus. It is possible to see in detail the structures you decided to use for each firing points, and as for the pyrotechnic effects, you have the possibility to see in detail the angle direction of every single support and the fireworks it contains. Once you have defined the supports, you can go on with the Firemaster Plus unit and have access to the final step of the whole process, which means that you can export and print all the data, print the labels and the schemes of every single firing place, as well as generate the file to be uploaded in the Firemaster. Firemaster Show Design. Think and made for real professional pyromasters.